Hi, my name is Anjali and I used to be an aspiring writer about a month ago. So what had changed in this past month? Let me tell you, I did this course from Henry Harvin, that is CDCW, which is Certificate of Digital Content Writing for myself, and I have grown my skills and have converted my hobbies into my passion and as to my profession for now. When I joined this course, I was not really sure how much of a benefit it could get me. I was a teacher and I happen to be from a science background, so I was not really sure that will it really be fruitful to me? Will it really be something which I should be doing? But despite of all that, I did it because I really loved writing stuff and I really wanted to go into this. It was just to improve my skills and learn new things, the only objective which I had in mind. So I joined this course, and this course has proven me so wrong. This course has proven me the things that which I considered as my skill till now is my passion, and I discovered it through Henry Harvin course only, and under the guidance of Miss Urvashi. She has been a wonderful guide, a wonderful mentor, a wonderful facilitator at the same time. She has the classrooms at the time the classroom at the class times were always interactive. The communication was never one-sided. It was always, most of the times it was always a dialogue happening. So I mean, we were free to question the things which we didn't understood, and ma'am would always explain it again and again until and unless all our doubts are cleared. So through this video I would say my regards and thanks to Miss Urvashi ma'am, to Henry Harvin, to be such a great support to us, to be such a great facilitator to us and guide to us. And I hope and I know that I'll be needing your help in future. I will always find you people on my back. So thank you everyone for this video, for this course. That was me. Have a good day.